Illustration. An object 5 cm in length, height of the object is given to us 5 cm, is held 25 cm away from a converging lens, that is a convex lens. So u is given to us minus 25, of focal length 10 cm. It is convex lens, so focal length will be always positive, it is plus 10 cm. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image. For the position, we have to calculate. We will use the formula 1 upon f is given by 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Put all the values, 1 by 10, 1 by v, minus 1 by u. U is minus 25, so minus minus plus 1 by 25. So 1 by v can be written as 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. So 1 by v is 50 LCM, 10 5s are 50, 25 2s are 50, 3 by 50. Value 1 by v is 3 by 50, so v can be written as 50 by 3 centimeter. It is approximately 16.67 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the nature of the image. We will say magnification is given by height of the image upon height of the object is given by v upon u. Height of the image upon height of the object is given to us 5 centimeter equal to v. V is 50 by 3 and u is given to us minus 25. 25 2s are 50. So height of the image can be written as 5 2s are 10, 10 by 3, but it is negative. In this way, height of the image is approximately written as minus 3.35 centimeter. Height of the image is negative. Negative means inverted. Inverted means real. So it is real inverted. Object height is 5 centimeter. Image height is 3.35. So it is diminished. Now we have to draw the ray diagram. This is the convex lens. This is the principal axis. Like this. Let I say 5 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter. It means at a distance 2 centimeter there is a focus, because 2 centimeter means 10 centimeter. Then 2f will be at a distance 20 centimeter. 20 means 5 4s are 20. At a distance 4 centimeter we will write the 2f. And object is placed 25 is more than 2f. So we put the object here. It is at a distance more than 2f. And we know when the object is beyond 2f, image must be between f and 2f. That idea we have. So any ray which is parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus. Any ray which passes through the optical center, it passes straight. So we are getting the image between f and 2f and it is diminished. Put arrow also in which direction the ray is traveling. Now you can label it. This distance is focal length, it is 10 centimeter. This distance is object distance, it is 25 centimeter. This distance is image distance. Image distance we have calculated, it is 50 by 3 centimeter. Or you can say it is 16.67 centimeter. So right answer of the problem is image is at a distance 16.67 centimeter. Height of the image is 3.35 centimeter. And nature is real, inverted and diminished.